If your Ring camera's audio just isn't working, don't worry. Most problems are simple to solve. Let's get you talking and listening again in no time. First, check your Wi-Fi signal. Weak connections are the #1 reason for audio problems. Move your router closer to the camera or try restarting both devices. Next, open the Ring app. Go to Device Settings, then Audio Settings. Make sure both the microphone and speaker are turned on. Sometimes these get switched off by accident. Still not working. Update your Ring app and your phone's operating system. Outdated software can cause serious glitches. If you're using an iPhone, make sure the app has permission to use your microphone. Go to Settings, then Privacy, then Microphone, and check if Ring is switched on. Finally, give your Ring device a quick restart. Unplug it for about 10 seconds, then plug it back in. This simple step fixes more issues than you'd expect. If none of these steps work, reach out to Ring support. Most audio issues have a fix and you can get back to using your camera in minutes. That's it. Quick and simple ways to fix your Ring camera's two-way audio. Try these steps, and let us know if it worked for you.